as we all know, coming up on March 15th, the Ides of March, known from Julius Caesar, but it's also the time back then where all debts were settled. And today on Money in the Bank with Frank, so we're going to talk taxes. We're coming up on the corporate tax filing deadline and what you need to do to get ready for tax time. We're going to focus on corporations today. This is my kit from my attorney, J. Mark Lewis and Associates. Not a sponsor, but if he wants to be, feel free to give me a call and send me some money. And he's got a kit here that everyone should fill out that's a client of his so that they at least have the basics and the bare bones of what they're going to discuss and do on their taxes. And there's only two people in the world that love tax time, and that's accountants and the government, because the government's going to get their money, and the accountants who effectively have their normalized income 4 times a year, March 15th, April 15th, September 15th, and October 15th. Those are the tax filing deadlines, the corporate and individual tax filing deadlines. And since they do that work 4 times a year, they get checks 4 times a year. So they want to be efficient with their time. And we need to be efficient with ours and with our savings. And the best way to do that is to get all your ducks in a row. Earlier today, and I hear it a lot, I hear from people that are fairly young that say, I don't have to do my taxes. I don't want to do my taxes. I don't know why anyone would not want to do their taxes in this day and age. Anybody that files or that makes money working for a W-2 employer, the W-2 employer is filing notices to the IRS. They already know how much you're making, and they're going to come after you with all this wonderful electronics to say, yo, and if you don't, and if you are owed money back, why wouldn't you want that? And there's a good chance that if you're not making, if you're just starting out, you're probably going to get everything that you paid into it back. The rates are very favorable to people just starting out, depending on your income. But for those of us who are throughout the spectrum, there are many little things that you can do to minimize your taxation. On the corporate side, you want to make sure that you max out your retirement contributions. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, you can find me on Money in the Bank with Frank on all of your favorite podcast platforms, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on our YouTube channel. Look forward to bringing you more content like this in the future. Thanks.